In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable PowerPivot in Excel. PowerPivot is a built-in Excel data modeling add-in that lets you work with large datasets, create relationships across tables, write DAX measures, and build more powerful pivot tables and pivot charts. It's included in many versions of Excel for Windows, but it's often turned off by default. Note that PowerPivot is only available on Windows. These steps won't apply to Excel for Mac. Let's turn it on now. First, open Excel and any workbook. In the upper left corner, go to the File tab to open the Backstage view. Next, look down the left-hand sidebar and choose Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog where all application settings live. Inside Excel Options, select Add-ins on the left. This page lists every add-in installed and shows how they're managed. At the bottom, you'll see a Manage dropdown. Make sure it says COM add-ins. COM add-ins are features installed with Office that load directly into Excel, as opposed to simple workbook add-ins or automation add-ins. Click Go to the right of that dropdown. This opens the COM add-ins window, which controls add-ins that integrate deeply with Excel. Depending on your system, the list may take a moment to populate. In the list, find Microsoft PowerPivot for Excel and check its box. Leave any other boxes as they are, unless you know what they do. When the box is checked, click OK. This change is global for Excel on your machine, so you won't have to repeat it for each workbook, and the add-in will be available across all open workbooks. Excel will register the add-in, and you should see a new PowerPivot tab appear on the ribbon at the top of the window. You might also notice related commands under the Data tab. That's normal. If the PowerPivot tab doesn't show up immediately, save your work and restart Excel. Sometimes the ribbon needs a quick refresh the first time an add-in is enabled. If you don't see Microsoft PowerPivot for Excel in the list at all, that usually means the feature isn't included in your specific Excel edition. It hasn't been installed by your organization, or it has been disabled by policy. In that case, update Office to the latest build or contact your IT admin to enable the PowerPivot add-in for your account. Once the tab is visible, you're ready to go. Click the PowerPivot tab to access commands like Manage, which opens the separate PowerPivot window where you can import data, create relationships between tables, and write DAX calculations. That's it. PowerPivot is now enabled in Excel. Thanks for watching.